Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your saved passwords on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots menu button at the top right hand corner of the page. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, click on Passwords at the bottom of the page. You are now on the Chrome Saved Passwords page. To view a saved password, simply click on the little eye icon after the password. It may ask you for your Windows password here. Fill that in and it will show you the saved password. To hide it, just click on the eye again. To delete a password, you just need to click the three dots button to the right of the eye icon after the password. Then click Remove. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.